So Spotify actually just released their new Spotify Wrapped option. Now, you might be trying to figure out how you can go and see this new Spotify Wrapped. Now, there's an easy way to do this. The easiest way to do it, what basically stated on their website, is by going through and actually updating the application. So what they tell you to do is just go through and, as you normally would, go inside of the Spotify application, and you can try opening it up there. But you can also just go straight into your app store like this. You can search for the Spotify application and try updating it that way. So you can search up Spotify just like this, update this application, and that might end up, actually fixing it for you. And that's probably what's going to end up fixing it for a vast majority of people. Now, if you do that and that's not working, they also actually now give you the website where you can actually see it as well. So you can just go to the spotify.com/wrapped website right here. So you can just copy and paste this particular website into your URL. Now, for now, this specific website is giving us issues. I think so many people are trying to go on it, so it's not working. But you can also go to spotify.com/wrapped and basically view it that way. Now, once you update your Spotify application, there might be a chance where you do see your 2023 Wrapped, which is right here. So what we can do, as long as it's up to date, you can go and open up this specific 2023 Wrapped, and you should be able to see this specific story thing. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And from here, if you actually want to share something out, you can always just go through and share your specific, Wrapped, whatever you want to do at that point. But that's pretty much how to do it. It's super basic and it's a pretty basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.